Our Mad Science Friday finales are sponsored by Dodge City Paintball. Now you see it, now you don't. Our favorite mad scientists are back in the lab with another experiment where the wild things are. Check out how they make an animal disappear.
Yes, we are the dogs of science back here in the Mad Science Lab on Living, Oklahoma. So glad we're here.
Woof, woof.
Yeah. So how you doing today, Miles?
I'm doing great.
Good. So,
You a hunting dog?
am I a hunting dog? I like that. I'm a pointer. No. Check this out. Now, you notice I'm wearing camo, and the reason I'm wearing camo is because we're going to talk about camouflage today. Okay.
I can do camo too.
Okay. There you go. So check this out. I am going to cut an animal out right here. Okay.
Let me guess, it's going to be a cow.
It's not going to be a cow, but I
snail.
think you'll be able to guess what it is.
Octopus.
It's a
Oh, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle, or it's a camel, or it's a whatever. Okay, so you can see it real well right there, right? I'm not an artist, okay? Okay, it's supposed to be an elephant. Yeah, no, okay. So anyway,
The problem happened when there's no trunk.
that's supposed to be his trunk there. But check it out. You can
now
see.
I see.
You can see him real well, right?
Now I see it.
Watch this. If I put it right here.
Oh wow, that is actually extremely effective.
Now watch this. Can you see him now?
Barely.
Barely. But when you put him right here, and that's what camels. That's what animals. That's what animals do. Many animals camouflage themselves like this. They don't dress like trees, but they look like their surroundings. Tigers have stripes, right? Turtles look kind of dark. Snakes a lot will look in.
Yes.
Yeah. You can't see them among the leaves, things like that.
Black panthers live in rainforests. So
There you
there's
go.
just shadows. So.
There you go, shadows. Now check this out. In our world, we have what we call biomimicry. And biomimicry means that we have mimicked what animals and plants do biologically to be able to develop camouflage, to be able to blend in with our surroundings like animals do. So you can do this at home. Hopefully you're a better artist than I am. What you might want to do is draw it first, which I didn't do. Go ahead and show him what you're looking at there. He's trying to match it up perfectly. But even if you don't match it up perfectly and you dropped it,
I didn't even realize.
even if you don't match it up perfectly, it's still harder to see. And here's another thing, watch this. If I take this and I move it, you can almost see it there, because as humans, our eyes are attuned to movement. So even if it's camouflage, they have to be very still, okay? And if the background is not good, it doesn't work. Like, for example, my camouflage pattern in the lab doesn't work.
But I could camouflage and just be like doing
There you go.
science stuff.
There we go. So that's what we have for you today in the Mad Science Lab.
Woof woof.
Can't wait to see you again next time right here on Living, Oklahoma.
Bye.
How cool was that? Guys, we'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday experiment. And you can also visit okcmadscience.org for some more STEM fun.